Hello, I'm Bill Doherty, co-founder of the Doherty Relationship Institute, and I want to talk to you about the issue of models of couples therapy not having commitment as part of their core model and why that matters. Couples therapy models assume that both people are there because they want to try to preserve the relationship and solve the problems and reconcile. And when somebody, often it's one, isn't so sure they want to be in the relationship at all, and they're not so sure they want to be in therapy. In other words, two kinds of commitments are at stake here. One is, I'm really leaning out of this relationship, and I'm not sure I want to even try. Okay, that situation where commitment to the relationship and to the healing process are up for grabs, you're really on your own in most models of couples therapy to figure out what you want to do here, because you can't start using your model unless you have two customers for the model. So this is one of the reasons why I started Discernment Counseling, because in the models of couples therapy that I use and practice over time, there wasn't really an organized, systematic way to deal with this commitment ambivalence about, again, being in the relationship and being in the room in therapy. So that's some of why Discernment Counseling really came into being, a structured, systematic way to deal with commitment.